Samsung's upcoming One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be more than just a routine update. It's a major shift in how Galaxy phones handle connectivity. Leaks have already shown design changes like simplified settings, new shadows for containers, and a search bar moved to the bottom for easier one-handed use. But beyond these tweaks lies a much bigger upgrade that could change the way you use your phone every day. At the heart of One UI 8.5 is a powerful new tool called Switch to Mobile Data with AI. Unlike regular design changes, this feature actually learns from your habits and makes smart decisions for you. Instead of stubbornly clinging to weak Wi-Fi, your Galaxy will intelligently decide when to use mobile data, keeping your connection strong and seamless without you lifting a finger. Here's how it works. Samsung is adding a system known as Intelligent Link Assessment. This uses AI and machine learning to track your Wi-Fi performance over time. By analyzing the strength and stability of your signal, it can predict when it's better to switch. The result? A phone that always keeps you on the fastest, most stable network available. Picture this scenario. You're on a video call at home, connected to Wi-Fi, then step into your backyard or driveway. Normally, your phone would hold on to that weak Wi-Fi, leaving your call stuttering or dropping completely. With One UI 8.5, your device instantly recognizes the weak signal, cuts Wi-Fi, and jumps to mobile data. Once you return indoors, it switches back just as quickly. There's also an even smarter companion feature called Intelligent Network Switch. Instead of reacting in the moment, it learns your daily movement patterns. For example, if you walk the same route from your office to the subway, your Galaxy will remember where Wi-Fi usually fails and proactively shift to mobile data at the exact right time. This is all powered by machine learning running silently in the background. The goal isn't just about speed, it's about convenience. No more wasted time toggling settings or struggling with poor connections. Your Galaxy quietly does the work for you, keeping your experience smooth and frustration-free no matter where you are. Of course, some users might say, I don't need AI for that, I can switch networks myself. And while that's true, the difference is instant convenience. Think about how often your phone sticks to a bad Wi-Fi signal, draining your patience. This system eliminates those small but irritating interruptions in your daily use. Battery life also gets a boost here. Staying connected to weak Wi-Fi actually drains more power than you might expect, since your phone constantly works to hold the link. By cutting off bad Wi-Fi and switching to mobile data, your Galaxy conserves energy and runs more efficiently throughout the day. Interestingly, early surveys show people are split. Around 53% support automatic switching, while 47% still prefer full manual control. This highlights an important point. While many see the value in automation, others want to decide themselves. Samsung seems to be preparing for both by giving users the choice to toggle it on or off. The reality is this is one of those features you don't realize you've been missing until you try it. Once enabled, you'll stop asking why your videos aren't loading or why your call dropped. Instead, your Galaxy takes care of it instantly, keeping you on the best possible connection without interruptions. And the timing couldn't be better. Samsung is preparing to launch One UI 8.5 alongside the Galaxy S26 series early next year, but Galaxy S25 users won't have to wait long either, as this update is expected to arrive quickly for current flagships. That means millions of users will soon experience this next-level convenience. So while design refinements like shadows, layouts, and cleaner menus add polish, the real star of One UI 8.5 is its AI-powered connectivity. Intelligent Link Assessment and Intelligent Network Switch are small features on paper, but they could completely change your daily experience. In short, One UI 8.5 proves Samsung isn't just focused on how things look. This update is about making devices smarter, smoother, and more reliable. If leaks are accurate, this could be one of the most practical and underrated improvements Samsung has ever delivered to Galaxy users.